Let's look now at placing some less than or greater than signs between some decimals. Now, just to recap with greater than or less than signs, one of the strategies that I use in order to remember which one is which is that the less than sign with less, you can then write the word less using that. So that's how I remember which one it is. Let's look at this first one here, 5.173 or 5.0731. The trap here is that unlike with whole numbers, where if a whole number has more digits in it compared to another whole number, it's always going to be larger. In this case, what we need to do firstly is look at the whole number, and here we can see 5 and 5. So we know that they're comparable, they're equal. We don't have to worry about that part of it. We then just have to go to the next value, okay? And anything that comes after that won't matter if these aren't the same. So 5.1 is always going to be bigger than 5.0. So the rest of it, 7.3 and 7.31, is irrelevant. This is already indicated that this one is bigger. So we can say that 5.173 is larger than this one here, so it is going to be larger. This digit here, first thing I always say is have a quick look. So you can see here there are 5 digits after the decimal point, and here there's only 4 digits. So again, we don't want to let that be the guiding factor. What we're looking for here is whether the values are different. So here we can see whole number column the same, tenths column the same, hundredths column the same, thousandths there's a difference. And in this one you can see the one on the right hand side, the thousandths here is larger by 1. Okay, so 3 thousandths is larger than 2 thousandths, so this one is the larger number. It doesn't matter after that whether the size of the numbers, it only matters once they become different. So this one is the larger number. So 0.47239 is less than 0.4731. And finally, you've got 3.5 and 3.51. So whole number's the same, tenths is the same, and this one here where the number is missing would be a 0. So 0 is, I'll put it red as a placeholder, and you can see this one has more value because it's 1/100th as opposed to no hundredths. So this one is smaller, so again, less than 3.51.